I recently came across a question from another blogger, and that was how to add the award image to your blog sidebar. Since I don't have screen recording software on my laptop, I'm using my phone to make a video to show you and explain to you how it's done. You can see that I'm on my blog right now, which is Lorraine Reguli's Life. I'm Lorraine, and I will be telling you how to add an image. For example, I'm going to add my Unique Leaves Award image into my sidebar of my blog. I already have, I'm just going to scroll down and show you that I have a few other of my blogging award images here already. Here's the Liebster blog, my Very Inspiring Blog Award, my Shine On Award, my other Liebster Award, I was nominated twice, my WordPress Family Award, my Super Sweet Blogging Award, and then there's nothing else under here. So what I'm going to do, in the top left corner, I'm going to click on my blog's name and the drop-down menu comes up. I'm going to click Widgets. Now once you're in your widgets, what you need to do is find the widget that says Image and drag it over to wherever you want to put it. I'm just going to put mine right at the bottom below. Now once you put it there, it automatically opens and it tells you, it gives you a bunch of different fields to fill in. We're only going to fill in 3. We're going to fill in the widget title. In this case, it's my Unique Leaves Award. So I'm going to type that in, my Unique Leaves Award. And the image URL, we're going to click on the image, go into your other tab where your post is. Click on the image to find the URL, copy it, and click the back button, just so we're a step ahead of ourselves. Go back to your widget and paste your image URL into the image URL field. Now go down to the bottom and it says link URL when the image is clicked. Well, if someone's on your blog and they click your image, you want to bring them to that post where you received that award. So now let's go back to our other tab and copy the URL of that, go back to your widgets and paste it in. And then hit save. And you'll notice that the width and the height fields have automatically filled in. So let's take a look on our blog and see how this image is showing up. If you're not a technical person, this is really helpful. I'm not a technical person, so having the program or having this, WordPress do this all for you is really nice. Now, you can see that my Unique Leaves Award is here, but I can tell that the right-hand border along the side here is not quite showing up as it does with my other awards. So to adjust this, I'm going to go back into my widgets, and I'm going to open it back up, the Unique Leaves Award widget, and I'm going to change the width and the height. Here the width is at 300. I'm going to try 260, and the height is at 225, so I'll try 215. And you can play around with these numbers. Once you've changed it, hit save, go back to your blog to see if it's showing up, and if it's fine, then you've chosen the numbers, perfectly. And if not, then you'll have to adjust the numbers. And I can see that I'm going to have to make one more adjustment. So I'm going to go back to my widgets, make the adjustment, picking smaller numbers. I'll try 240 this time, and then I'll try, maybe 200, and see if that works. So this might take you a few tries to do, and just keep going back and taking a look and seeing if it shows up properly. And then, of course, you can always reorder them. You can move things around. That's the great thing about WordPress with these widgets, is that it makes everything so easy to do. And I can see now that my border's showing up the way I want it to. So remember, just have 2 tabs open. I'm going to actually finish this off. I have one more award to add, which is my Best Moment Award. So if you want to watch and continue watching, just to recap, you click on the award, you copy the URL to where it is, click your back button on your browser, go to your different tab, select widgets, find the image widget, and they're all in alphabetical order. So they're pretty easy to find. Add your widget where you want it to. Paste the image URL. Go back to the post. Whoops. And copy the URL of the post where you want it to link to. Put it in your link URL field. Save it. And if you want to add the title, then you can add the title as well. In this case, this is my Best Moment Award. So I'll type in Best Moment Award. Hit save. And check it out on the blog, see how it's showing up. And again, the right border. I'm pretty picky, so I'm going to adjust it in my widgets and make sure it shows up. So once you've made those adjustments, take another look. And if everything is good, then mission accomplished. I hope that you've enjoyed listening to me explain how to do this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask. I'm not really a technical person, but I do my best to learn. And that's it. This is Lorraine, signing off from Lorraine Regularly's Life. Have a good day.